Okay guys, so in this video, what I want to do is I want to go over how to evaluate a function using synthetic division. Now, we already did synthetic division, which is, it's not that bad. It's not as bad as as polynomial long division. What you're gonna do, you're gonna write, so you have p of y equals 4y squared. So it's 4y squared, and let's see here, hold on. Minus 21y plus 30. And what you're gonna do is you want to find p of 5, basically. Okay, using synthetic division. So what you're gonna do is it's gonna be the same exact thing that we've been doing with synthetic division, but we're doing something different this time. We're evaluating a function and not actually doing a division. Since you're doing p of 5, you want to go ahead and put 5 right here. And you're going to put your terms 4, -21, and 30. And you're going to bring this down. You have 4. 5 times 4 is 20, so you bring it right here. And then -21 plus 20 is -1. -1 times 5 is -5. So you have 25 right here. Now, looking at the last term, that's exactly what p of 5 equals. Because when you're evaluating a function and you do synthetic division, the last number that you are left with is what the evaluation would be. So, and I can actually verify this by actually evaluating. So if I say p of 5, I can say 4 times 5 squared minus 21 times 5 plus 30. This is going to be 4 times 25 minus 105 plus 30. This is 100 minus 105 plus 30. This is -5 plus 30, so this is 25. Okay, so you see how they're both the same number. So that's another thing that you have to kind of know, is that when you have a number here, it means that whatever you evaluate, like this, if you evaluate this number for x or y or whatever it is, it's going to give you the number at the number that you are left with at the very end is actually what this would equal to if you were to actually plug that number, the number on the left here, in for y. Okay, or for any variable that's in your algebraic equation. So that's the first example that I kind of want to go over. So if we actually put that it's 25, you see, so it actually is, 25. We're gonna do one more just for this video. If we do f of v, so we have f of v, and the thing about this program is that they use really weird, they use other variables, okay? So usually we don't use these kind of variables. We would just use like f of x only we don't really do like f of a or something, because that's just not. But I guess every program has its ways. So anyways, so we have 28v squared plus 22v minus 14. We want to evaluate f of negative 1. Okay. So it's going to be the same exact thing. You're going to put negative 1 right here. You're going to put your terms, 28, 22, and 14, or negative 14 rather. You have 28, you bring it down. Negative 1 times 28 is negative 28. 22 minus 28 is negative 6. Negative 1 times negative 6 is 6. This is negative 8. And like I said in the previous example, this would be your answer for f of negative 1. And again, I can verify this if you really want me to. F of negative 1 equals 28 times negative 1 squared plus 22 times negative 1 minus 14. This is 28 minus 22 minus 14. This is 6 minus 14, which is negative 8. So as you can see, they are the exact same number. Okay, so those are two examples that I just wanted to go over really quick. I don't want to make this video really long because I know that the last two videos were pretty long. If you have any questions though, please let me know right away in the comments below. And if you want me to go over more examples, or if you have other examples that you're just kind of confused about, you can always, you can always send them, or, put them down below. And ask me, or if you just want me to go over more, you can ask me to go over more. But yeah, that's all I wanted to go over for this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.